Now, first warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Tom Messner.
All right, a team of meteorologists still tracking the nor'easter as the snow continues to fall.
That's right. Tyler Jankowski's out in the elements in South Burlington, but we want to start with Tom Messner. He's in the Plattsburgh Weather Center. On some days, Tom, we say location, location, location. Well, it doesn't matter your location today because you got snow.
Most everybody, and probably everybody, doing some semblance of shoveling. So yeah, I think to a certain extent that is true. This is what an alert day in the winter looks like here at NBC5. We've got more snow on the way for tonight. It seems to be lighter. We'll check with Tyler in just a second and see if that is true. The snow has been blowing around. This has made life more difficult than just snow coming down because visibilities have dropped, yes, because of heavy snow, but also because of blowing snow. And the driving has been tough, and we think first thing tomorrow morning the commute will be affected by snow. Probably not as nasty as first thing this morning, especially in southern Vermont, but still, you may want to give yourself a couple of extra minutes. This is Storm Tracker, and this is what is going on right now. And if you look at the last hour or so, you take a look at some of the darker blues here, and that's where we've seen these bands of snow coming through. Earlier, we were looking at 1 to maybe 2 inches per hour in terms of the rate of snow coming down, and that's heavy duty. We're still seeing some of that in some places, not to the extent we had earlier, but it looks like the snow right now picking up in places like Swanton, and I would imagine just about to happen in St. Albans. Northern New York has been looking at snow, and a lot of snow for some folks. Meanwhile, as we come on off to the west, you can see there's more upstream where the weather is coming from. So we're not done with this yet, although central and especially southern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, big break from the action right now. I know you guys had the snow earlier. So that low pressure is off the coast here, creating the nor'easter and throwing these bands and just general snowfall back our way. We think that'll continue to be the case to a certain extent tonight and certainly into the beginning of tomorrow as well. More snow amounts for you here. Milton, not too far from a foot, 11.4 inches. Double digits, Westford, 9 inches. Altona, South Burlington, 7.4, and St. Albans at 6. Well, meteorologist Tyler Jankowski is out in South Burlington right now. And Tyler, when you were on an hour ago, it was harder to see you. It looks like things maybe have improved a little bit.
Yeah, it's definitely better than it was 2 hours ago. I mean, it was brutal out here with 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts and heavy snow. Now it's definitely a lighter snow. You can see a lot farther away than you could earlier, but it's still accumulating. I want to show you a storm tracker here. We've zoomed it way in, so you can see Burlington on the left, and of course, South Burlington. We're right outside of Barnes & Noble on Dorset Street. That's where we are. It's a lighter snow, less intense than it was an hour or two ago. But this here, we'll show you the additional snow for Burlington first. Another 2 or 3 inches this evening. Same deal for Plattsburgh as you see here. Now, the graph does go into tomorrow. There's going to be some light snow lingering tomorrow, but not nearly as much. But I want to show you St. Albans, similar situation as you head up into Franklin County for another 2 or 3 inches tonight. Clearly, though, the big winner for snowfall in this storm, western Clinton County, Dannemora, Lyon Mountain, Ellenburg, another 6 or 7 inches overnight, but it'll keep adding up tomorrow, especially in the higher elevations there along Route 11 near Ellenburg. So it could be another foot additional in western Clinton County. But the good news is the snow is lighter, Tom. The plows keep going by. The parking lot is a little clearer than it was an hour ago. And with the lighter intensity, it will be easier to clear this up as we move forward. Though, did you see Punksy Phil predicted 6 more weeks of this?
Shocking, isn't it? Just shocking. Yeah, what are you going to do? Hey, it feels like winter out there. Temperatures in the 20s right now. They're not going to drop very much tonight. The wind is making it feel worse, and of course, that's why this snow is blowing around. So Futurecast, here is what's expected overnight tonight, then into tomorrow, mainly in northern New York, northern Vermont, where we get a little more in the way of accumulation. And up in the mountains, I think we get quite a bit more accumulation. So snow, blowing snow, still some out there tonight, not as heavy as it has been. Temperatures not moving that much. For tomorrow, snow and snow showers. We're going to call tomorrow an impact day. So not quite an alert day. Temperatures upper 20s to the 30s. So generally speaking, another 3 to 6 inches out there, closer to 3, I think, in the Champlain Valley. But northern New York, I think well above that, especially the northern Adirondacks. 30 degrees, that'll do you tomorrow. 31 on Thursday. Should be a dry day. Friday, we've got a mix of Snow showers, some raindrops mixed in. Saturday looks dry, but Sunday, especially Sunday night, and that Super Bowl Sunday into Monday, we may be looking at some more snow. And of course, we'll keep a close eye on that for you.